Telecom operators now offer a technology called eSIM, which can replace physical SIM cards. The eSIM can be downloaded by a smartphone, which means you don't need to buy an extra SIM to use services. All private telecom operators like Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone Idea allow their users to use this facility. However, users need to follow some steps to avail the eSIM cards. eSIM on Airtel, user need to send a message to 121 by texting a eSIM along with email ID. After that, you will get a message from 121 to confirm the whole process. Then you need to click on the one button within 60 seconds and you have to say yes for confirming via call. Then you get a QR code on your ID. Then you have to scan it and it will be activated into hours. So now I'll tell you some steps that will allow you to access eSIM services on Vodafone Idea network. For getting eSIM services on Vodafone Idea network, users should have a postpaid connection, which means that only postpaid users can avail these services. To get the services, you need to go to the company store and give the identity proof. Then you have to give your device and fill the KYC form. Once it is done, user will get an access. However, there is a catch, because this service is very limited to few places like Goa, Mumbai, Gujarat, Delhi and Maharashtra. Now I'll tell you how to get eSIM services from Reliance Jio. Then there is India's largest telecom player known as Reliance Jio, which allows you to access services through some steps. You need to go Jio Store, Reliance Digital and Jio retailers to get the services. After completing all services, user will get the access to eSIM from the telecom operator. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot. Thank you so much.